So tell me, what is the operation we have to do?
So multiplication.
Yes, a student saves 75 every week. So he was saving, weekly saving is 75 rupees. So after 20 by 3 weeks, like it is a part of the weeks, it is not the quantity given. So just multiply 20 by 3 times 75. You will get the answer.
So the 160. Sir, 300.
300. Okay, let's check Alia's answer.
So I got the answer as 505.
505. Okay, let me give my answer. How many times 3 will cancel in 75? 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. So 25 to is 50, right? 500. So it is not even that. Both answers are wrong. 500 is the correct answer. You understand how did we do 24? Both of you?
Yes.
Alright, let's go with 25th problem. A container has 5 liters of water. 10 liters is poured out. How much water is remaining? So what is the operation we do here for this?
So subtraction.
So it is clearly says that it is the quantity. Okay, it is a quantity and it is a quantity. He was asking the remaining amount of water. So simply subtract. Very good. Five liters minus 7 by 10 liters. So
Sir, I'm getting 4.3 liters.
4.3 liters. Alia, what do you get?
Sir, 43 by 10. Same answer.
So 4.3. 43 by 10 is the same answer. Very good. Let us see 26th one. A baker makes 3.5 kg of duff. He uses 4/7 of it. How much duff is left?
Sir, we have to multiply.
Yeah, this is part of the duff given. It is not the quantity. So part of that. You just multiply that. Okay, you multiply and find the final answer. And he was saying how much is left, not how much used. This part is representing how much is used. Okay, first find the quantity used. Quantity of duff used, that is equal to 4/7 times 3.5. You will get the amount used and remaining. You have to subtract from 3.5 kgs. 3.5 kgs minus that quantity.
So I got the answer as 1.5.
Is it the total used or remaining?
Sir, remaining.
So what is the quantity used here? You get.
Sir, I got it as 2.0.
So it is nothing but 2. 2 means quantities units are 2 kgs. So 3.5 minus 2 kgs. So 1.5 kgs. That is a correct answer. Sure, do you get the same thing?
Yes, sir.
So go to the 27th one. What is the operation that suits here? A bus travels 2.4 kilometers for every 3 minutes. How far will it travel in 15 minutes? So distance it travels 2.4 kilometers in 3 minutes, right? In the time period of 3 minutes it traveled 2.4 kilometers. So guess the operation.
So we have to divide it and find the value of how much kilometers you'll travel in 1 minute. Then we have to multiply it by 15.
Very nice, very nice. Good job. So for 1 minute you have to calculate by dividing 2.4 with 3. You will get in terms of kilometers. So after that the required quantity is 15 minutes. So 15 minutes means distance traveled in 15 minutes. Very good. Find it and then tell me the answer. What is the distance traveled in 1 minute?
Sir, 0.8.
Shiva, do you get the same?
Sir, yes, sir.
Very good. So now you have to multiply 15 with 0.8.
Sir, I got the answer.
How much you get?
Sir, 12 kilometers.
12 kilometers is the correct answer. Shiva, do you get the same?
Sir, I'm doing.
Okay. Shiva, you can directly multiply 15 times 8. So when you are multiplying a decimal, see 15 times 8 is how much? 120. Since there is one decimal point here, so just keep one decimal point in the result. So you get the answer as 12.
Sir, I thought I got it.